Every parent knows not all diapers are created equal. You've seen Pampers everywhere, the trusted name that's been around for decades. But lately, a newer contender called Rascal plus Friends has been gaining major attention online. People say it's softer, more absorbent, and even cheaper. But is it truly better, or just a well-marketed alternative trying to challenge a giant like Pampers in 2026? I've been reviewing baby products for years, testing everything from organic wipes to diaper creams to high-end baby monitors. And when it comes to diapers, I focus on three things: absorbency, comfort, and overall value for money. For this review, I tested both Rascal plus Friends and Pampers, same sizes, same use conditions, both day and night, over several weeks. Every diaper was paid for out of pocket to ensure a fair and honest comparison. Here's what both brands promise. Pampers, 12-hour leak protection, trusted by hospitals, and superior softness. It's the go-to name parents rely on worldwide. Rascal plus Friends, premium performance without the premium price, ultra-soft materials, leak-proof design, and safe for sensitive skin. On paper, both sound perfect, but let's see how they hold up in real-world use. Absorbency and leak protection. Pampers still delivers excellent performance. It handles overnight use well and rarely leaks when changed on time. However, Rascal plus Friends surprised me. Its dual leak guards and elastic waistband provided impressive containment, even after long nighttime stretches. For medium wetters, both perform almost equally. For heavy wetters, Pampers still holds a slight edge. Fit and comfort. This is where Rascal plus Friends shines. The material feels noticeably softer and more cloth-like, which helps reduce chafing. The waistband stretches comfortably without digging into the baby's skin. Pampers is still comfortable, but some parents notice a slightly more plastic feel in certain versions. Both brands fit true to size, though Rascal plus Friends tends to run a little bigger. Skin sensitivity. Rascal plus Friends uses a formula free from fragrances, lotions, and latex. For babies with sensitive skin, that's a major advantage. Pampers now offers a pure line that's also hypoallergenic, but its classic line contains light fragrance, which could irritate some infants. Value and price. This might be the deciding factor. Rascal plus Friends often costs less per diaper, especially in bulk packs. Considering it delivers near-premium performance, that's a strong win for budget-conscious parents. Pampers, on the other hand, is priced higher but backed by decades of reputation and consistent quality control. Overall performance. Both brands score high for reliability. Pampers is the proven veteran. Rascal plus Friends is the innovative newcomer. In blind tests, most parents could barely tell the difference in comfort and leak protection, a sign that Rascal plus Friends is closing the gap fast. So does Rascal plus Friends actually beat Pampers in 2026? The short answer: it depends on what you value most. If you want the brand that stood the test of time, available everywhere and trusted by hospitals and parents alike, Pampers is still the safe, dependable choice. It delivers consistent results and excellent protection for heavy wetters. But if you're looking for a modern alternative that's softer, more eco-conscious, and easier on your wallet, Rascal plus Friends delivers outstanding value. It's ideal for parents who want premium features without paying premium prices. In 2026, Rascal plus Friends doesn't completely dethrone Pampers, but it definitely earns a spot among the best diapers on the market. It's not a gimmick, it's a genuine competitor that offers real comfort, real quality, and real savings. So whether you stick with Pampers or make the switch to Rascal plus Friends, the winner is ultimately your baby's comfort and your peace of mind.